Today, our lecture is on the different properties of polyester fibers and Coolmax fibers, the differences with respect to material composition of these fiber, moisture wicking and breathability, comfort and feel level of these fiber, usage, applications, price and branding, structure, shape, surface and function of these fibers. When we talk about the difference with respect to material composition in case of polyester fiber, a generic synthetic fiber made from polyethylene terephthalate mean PET, that is standard PET, while in case of Coolmax fiber, that is modified polyester, both are the polyester. Coolmax is modified polyester. You can see a branded polyester fabric or fiber developed by Investa, formerly DuPont company, that is also manufacturer of filament like a brand Lycra brand. Polyester is durable, wrinkle resistant, and commonly used in textiles, while Coolmax it is engineered by or with specially shaped fibers to improve moisture wicking and breathability. It has, you can say, it is engineering is done, and its shape is about 6 channels or 4 channels that increase the property like moisture wicking and breathability of these fibers. So engineering is involved in manufacturing of Coolmax fiber. When we talk about the difference with respect to moisture wicking and breathability, in case of polyester standard PET fiber, standard polyester is not very breathable and can retain sweat, making it feel damp. While in case of Coolmax fiber, designed with a unique cross-section fiber structure that enhances the moisture wicking, quickly pulling sweat away from the skin to evaporate faster. As we have discussed, its structure is like 4 channels or 6 channels, because engineering is involved in manufacturing of Coolmax. So due to this engineering involvement, due to this structure, it has properties or it has ability enhancing the moisture wicking, quickly pulling sweat from the skin to evaporate faster. When we talk about the comfort and feel, in case of standard PET fiber, you can feel synthetic and may become sticky when sweating. While for the case of standard Coolmax fiber, feels softer and cooler due to its advanced fiber structure, making it ideal for sportswear, because this is also used in sports wear, because players are you players play and they feel sweat. So this fiber has ability to dry quickly due to its engineering structure due to cross-sectional structure, so it is ideal for sports wear. Pricing and branding. In case of polyester, standard PET fiber, generic and widely available at various price points. While in case of modified polyester, are a Coolmax, a premium branded fabric, often more expensive than regular polyester. It is because it is special fiber and used for special applications. Uses and application of these fibers. Standard PET fiber is used in general textiles, clothing, upholstery, and industrial fabrics, while standard Coolmax or modified polyester is primarily used in athletic wear, outdoor gear, and high performance active wear due to its sweet fitting and quick drying properties. Because it is functional fiber, so for specific applications, athlete wear, outgear, and high performance active wear, because of sweat wicking and quick drying, it is used. When we talk about the difference with respect to shape and surface, the standard PET fiber typically smooth, round, and uniform in diameter, while the shape of modified polyester or Coolmax is multi-channel or hollow core fiber structure, often 5 channel or 6 channel cross section. And the difference with respect to surface is the standard PET fiber or polyester appears solid and cylindrical with a smooth texture, while modified polyester Coolmax is irregular with the grooves or capillaries designed for moisture transport because it has properties or it has ability to dry quickly. So this structure helps for performance of these fibers. The difference with respect to structure and function, the standard PET fiber polyester is dense, non-porous, leading to lower moisture absorption, while the structure of modified polyester or Coolmax is porous and engineered to increase the surface area, enhancing breathability. So further, the function of standard PET fiber is it retains heat and is less breathable, making it less effective at moisture wicking. While the function of modified or Coolmax is actively wicks moisture away from skin and dries faster than standard polyester. These are the differences with respect to structure and function of these fibers. When we talk about the microscopic view of these fiber, standard polyester appears smooth and solid, while Coolmax shows a more complex grooves or a multi-channel structure, optimizing it for moisture management and breathability. As we have discussed in previous slides, its structure is complex, multi-channel, 5 to 6 channel, 4 channel, and that is for optimizing it for moisture management and breathability. A scalp oval shape refers to an oval structure with a wavy or indented edges rather than being a perfectly smooth. This is the structure of oval shape. You can see the structure is of Coolmax. The terms scalp describes the curves or notches along the perimeter similar to the edges of seashell or decorative pattern on pie crust. In fiber cross section, when discussing the synthetic fibers like Coolmax, the scope oval shape refer to the cross sectional profile of fiber instead of being a simple round or a smooth oval. The fiber has a grooves and indentions which increase the surface area of for better moisture wicking, enhance capillary actions to pull sweat away from moisture, and improve the breathability and drying speed. So this was the short overview of Coolmax fiber, that is sloped oval shape or multi-channel, and the structure helps in increasing increased area for better moisture wicking and increased capillary actions or enhanced capillary action to pull sweat away from the skin and improve the breathability and drying speed. I hope by this lecture your concept about the PET, standard fiber or standard polyester and Coolmax, that is also called modified polyester, would be very clear. See you in next lecture with another topic. Thank you, Hafiz.